So I decided to restore this old air rifle. This has been around since before I was born, and I don't know, it's just seen better days. Uh, there was some problems I had with it, and it was one of those things where, like, one thing led to another that I didn't expect, and in the end, it took me about 2 weeks instead of the day it should have taken me. It was just things I didn't foresee, and I didn't plan very well. But I took the buttstock off. I took the buttstock off. I sanded it all down. This I did really quickly, as you can see. But seriously, sanding like by hand is a workout. It was a lot of fun doing this project. It was just like quite time consuming, and I did get frustrated a bunch because there was problem after problem that shouldn't have been a problem, but it just was. I probably poor planning on my part and just the lack of knowledge, but I mean, there's always next time, and I want to redo this at some point, and other restoration videos or videos of this format in the future, if anybody's interested. I ended up taking off a little ammo holder on the side. That was really annoying because of the adhesive stuff. But I pretty much only took it off because it was in the way and it wasn't straight. That's not okay. So I got rid of that, sanded it all down. I stained it with some walnut stain because of the channel name. Yeah, I know, super original. But it was actually a really nice color. It was the only reason why I chose it was because my channel name is Warden Walnut, but it actually turned out to be a really good color for it. It wasn't too different from what it was originally. And the stain was really nice because it only took half hour to dry, and I did about 3 coats. Tried to do it as evenly as possible, but obviously first time, and I don't really like painting. But this was oddly therapeutic. I had to lathe the pins. Just give me an excuse to use my lathe, to be honest. I did try doing it with steel nails, which starts smaller than that, but steel is much harder to work with, and I found some problems with it and stuff. If you have any lathe tips, though, I'm extremely interested because I'm new to it and I'm trying to learn how to do it all. But yeah, I find this really satisfying as well. But yeah, this is what it looked like. I also made that leather cheek rest as well. That was way harder than I thought it was. Leatherworking I have a new respect for. The crank for the spring I still didn't get working. I tried a few things, but nothing was good enough, so yeah. But all in all, I think it turned out pretty good. And if you think so too, please like, sub, comment.